Hello guys, finally we are launching the batch 5. Prelims 2021 test series have been ongoing since last June when the last prelims got over, and then we kept on rescheduling and updating it based on the new students who were coming in, because some people will not be ready at the earlier time. Then we had to launch with a restricted timetable. So now we were thinking like whether this should be done or not. So when we saw the timeline, there is roughly 120 days left, okay, till the prelims, because the prelims date is June 27. So if you calculate from now, you have 4 months: March, April, May, and June almost fully you have. So it's really possible to do the preparation if you are guided the right way and with the right amount of test in the detailed fashion. Okay, but if you do something randomly and if you think like today I will do 10 days polity, then 10 days history, and then again come back to polity, then that will not work. You have to do a dedicated kind of studies, and that is why this test series is being launched as a final batch. After this, there will be no more batches. So whatever you do today, okay, that will decide whether you will be clearing this exam or not, because this exam is the only exam in the country where dedication matters. Okay, other exams you can study randomly, you can study whichever way you want, it doesn't matter, but here you need a dedicated daily routine, and that is what we will be giving you. Okay, that is why Vaishya is different from other institutes. Also, they will give you a test series, but they will not tell you how to study them. So you can and you should, and if you start, you will, okay, clear this exam. So people keep asking, is it enough if I start now? Whichever time you decide, that is the perfect time. Okay, don't think like I am late or I am early. There's nothing like that. If you have decided to do something sincerely, whichever time you start, it is the best time. So these are again some reviews of the students, okay, who have joined our test series, because people tell after getting the test series, some people feel like what is the guarantee? There is no feedback. These people are selling something. Then after that, whether there is any proper completion of topics in that. So these are some recent ones, screenshots which came in our WhatsApp and YouTube. So people were searching for some IR topic and they could not find it anywhere. And finally, when they opened the test, okay, most people what they do is they get the test, they'll be storing it in email and never opening it. They'll think like towards the last end of the exam we'll do it. But scheduled way, if you have opened it, you would have seen that whatever you were searching is already present in the test with detailed explanation. Okay, so these are examples of that, where people studied standard textbooks and then took the test series which we gave, and they find ditto word to word from the textbook being picked up. Okay, the question and the answer format, everything is picked up from the standard textbook only. So we make sure that you don't study anything unwanted. Okay, so these are again from our initial batch. Okay, this is batch 1 and 2 students. If you see 8 months ago, 9 months ago, these are all those comments. So these are people who trusted us at that very moment. Okay, when like it was just launched, that is 2020 prelims got over in June, and immediately we launched, and immediately these people joined, and these people have completed almost 60% or 80% of the syllabus. Okay, because that many tests is already given to them, and the remaining will happen in the next 4 months. So that is how we can guarantee that we taught them everything. After that, clearing or not depends on a little bit of luck and how much sincerity you showed in studying it. It's not like you simply collect our test series and keep it. You have to study them. Okay, so 4 months detailed study timetable we'll give you, and this will be only for prelims. Okay, that is the difference between all our previous batches and this batch. Previous batches had mains also in the syllabus and the daily timetable, but this time there is no such thing. Okay, so batch 1 365 days, batch 2 325 days, which was prelims plus mains evaluation. Then prelims plus mains without evaluation was there. That was again 250-day timetable and 185-day timetable. So now, because the days are limited, we cannot give you such a big timetable. Okay, we can only give you what is available, and so only prelims test series PDF 120 days. Okay, because more than 120 you don't have. I think 119 days you have if you start from March 1. Okay, so we have striked off all the portions where mains and combo things are there. Only prelims will be there, and it's not a 1 year schedule now. It's a 120-day schedule for batch 5. Okay, this is what will be discussed in this video. Entire timetable walkthrough I'll do, so you'll know what to do. So why this batch 5? As I told, it will be a final test marathon batch where it will be like back-to-back tests, because we have the highest number of tests in this country. So obviously we cannot keep any gaps now. Every day you have to practice test, but we'll make sure that you read the needed books. Okay, after that only we'll give you the test, and that also I'll tell you how to do it. So it will be reliable, frequent test. Huge demand and success rate is the reason why we are launching the batch 5, because till last year we did not have these many batches. Okay, we stopped at batch 3, but this year the number of students who are coming up every single day is more. So that is why we had to launch batch after batch to suit their timings and needs. So our materials are getting huge feedback, and you can study from the comfort of your home. Okay, there is no need of any other setup or anything. So 100% syllabus will be there for prelims. And before that, you should know what are the different type of courses available in the market, which you will obviously know. Offline institutes, what is there, and whether you should join a coaching. Okay, this applies to 2022 students also, whether you should join a coaching. Okay, that already in a video I have explained in my foundation video. If you don't have the foundation series, just WhatsApp me a free foundation. I'll give you 16 to 20 video links which are completely free, and that will help you understand that coaching is actually not needed. You can study from your home itself free of cost. Okay, then online courses, there are many types, with whether it can be like this copy pasted toppers notes, and then Delhi Institute material. Some people are like shamelessly selling it for 500 rupee, 1000 rupee all over the internet, and people are buying it also or getting it from Telegram channel. So that kind of things happens every time. And then there is huge courses where full video series plus this thing, which is like in lakhs. Okay, so this kind of range is there. Then videos might be there, test might be there. This is just the market things I'm telling. Okay, maybe 2022 students want to know all these things. And a medium also can be English or Hindi regional. Why I'm telling all this? Because after that, then I can tell us like what is Vaishya is fitting into. Okay, because we don't give everything. We give only English medium. We give only prelims test series in this batch, and then we don't give any video series. Videos are completely free, whatever we put on the YouTube, and it does not have a schedule. Okay, it's not part of this package and all. It's just a test series package we are announcing through this video. Okay, so there will be academies, websites, everything. One thing for mains, I'll tell you, please don't go and type answers in the forum and then fight with the other students and then think like you are doing great, or don't do that. Okay, because this exam is a pen and paper test, and you have to write and you have to feel that pain. Okay, our students are writing now. Almost, I think the 13th test have reached by today. So it's a 20 test package, but unfortunately that is closed now. You people cannot join. 2022, I'll launch it soon. Within next 2 to 3 weeks, it should be out. Okay, then daily weekly test, that this kind of things happen. Okay, without evaluation, without video explanation. So ours will be just a PDF thing. I'll show you in the next slide what it has. And I'm not blaming this completely. Okay, some students will need a handheld guidance. So there are advantages and disadvantages for all the models. So even ours will have different problems, but we can just tell you whether it is worth UPSC or not. Okay, only thing which we care about is UPSC standard and making you the best aspirant in India. Best aspirant does not mean you will surely clear the exam, because you know the hit rate, the success rate is only that much. Okay, if people write like 1 lakh people, or how many people reach the exam hall that day, in that very little people will clear the exam. Okay, that count also I have already explained in the cutoff video and all these things. So please see to it that you try your best. Okay, because it's not necessary that in the very first attempt you have to clear. So in our test series, you will have soft copy PDF. Okay, and the enrollment will be unlimited till prelims date. You can even come one day before the exam and come and enroll, but I don't know why you are enrolling. Okay, because it will be of no use. That is why you should, a serious aspirant already would have enrolled somewhere. And if you have not enrolled, or if you're looking for a second test series or a fifth test series, because there are many people who join to many test series, and that's also good. Okay, maximum questions you practice, maximum chances there you clear the exam. So ours will be in English, all the needed fact, figure, even news links will be there, which you can click and read the original newspaper article. All those things are there in our test series. Okay, in Lakshmikant, the textbook reference are there with page number. Okay, this page number, this chapter, this paragraph, this is taken, like that it's given. Okay, so this you'll be thinking about the standard. It's not only about whether you will like it or not. We have our own reputation to keep up. Okay, we have been giving 100 plus marks in the last 3 years consistently. So next year also we need that. Okay, this year we are targeting 120 plus marks. So we hope we can reach there. Okay, because every year we are increasing the standard of the test. So 75 tests will be there in prelims, 7,500 MCQ. The pricing I will show you in the next 2 to 3 slides. Then scheduled delivery, 100% syllabus, which will be only for GS1 paper prelims, not the CSAT. CSAT it should be self-study. Okay, you should need to do only the previous year paper, and that also I have put in the timetable. I'll show you. Then soft copy PDF with the timetable. You will get the Excel sheet timetable, which I'm going to show you now. So everything can be learned, and any printing mistake or anything which you are not clear in the test series, you can immediately WhatsApp us or email us. Okay, because we will be there to tell whether is it a genuine mistake or whether anything has to be done. Okay, whether you are not understanding it properly, that we will tell. Okay, from the test series. So detailed PDF will be there, but there is no video explanation, there is no complicated portals, and the subjects which will be covered is history is there, art and culture is there, geography, polity and schemes, economy, environment, current affairs. Okay, current affair 12 months is included within the package, and extra 12 months or extra 24 months if you want, you can buy all the last 3 years materials we have. So if you want, you can buy it as add-ons. Okay, that details I'll show you. The economic survey budget will be there, which is the most like bestseller kind of thing this year. I think in another 1 month I'll be putting it out, so you can buy that separately also if you want. So this is the detailing of the test, and so this is your kind of dream timetable, I would say, because often when it comes to this last minute, when the notification is about to come, people get tensed, like what to study, will I be able to complete, should I sit with NCERT these many days? So all those doubts I'll clear it here itself. So you just get that mindset and get ready to study from March 1. Okay, if you don't have that mindset and simply like looking at this as like time pass, then you will not be able to clear this exam. Also, February, now only 2 days are there, 27 and 28, and after that it's March 1. Okay, this month there is no 29 or 30, so it's like within 2 days this schedule is going to start. So you should be mentally prepared to give this and study this. Okay, so we are targeting 120 marks, and we want only such students who are willing to study to come and join. Others can stop watching the video from here. Okay, so feedbacks again, I think many screenshots I have put by mistake. So before going to the timetable, if you are a UPSC aspirant, 2021 message like this, 2022 message like this. Okay, and 23 or anything future, simply message in WhatsApp a free foundation. I'll give you free video link. Okay, so the timetable I'll show you now. The final look, it will be like this. Okay, this is the one which you will get. So March 1 onwards, with the day and with timing I have put, like what hour, what to study. Okay, so you should be completely dedicated. Now one problem is like working aspirants, they'll ask like what should we do. Unfortunately, this is not suited to you. You will have to reduce the timeline what we are given. Okay, because here if you see around 3 plus 3 plus 3, at least 8 to 9 hours every day you have to study. Okay, because now the time is that much limited. So either you have to take leave from your job or you have to find time. It has to be done, because this is not just giving test at you or throwing test at you. Okay, it is making you read the textbook and then do the test. So if you see current affairs, we are not putting in the schedule this time because many of you would have already following news items and everything. So it will be waste of time and waste of days if I put it like that. So first itself the completed months. Okay, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, the 7 months of current affair I'll give you on the day one itself. Meaning you join today, 27th February, I'll give you immediately all the 7 tests. Okay, you don't have to wait for 2 days. Okay, then you can study that, or you can plan it accordingly. Every day 1 hour you do. Everything will have 100 MCQ. Okay, 100 MCQ with explanation. Even sample of the test I'll show you, even though many are already out in YouTube. I'll show you again in this video. So obviously we'll start with NCERT, because maximum number of questions directly come from NCERT, Lakshmikant and Spectrum. Okay, so from if itself you do, you can get the cutoff. Okay, if you do it very sincerely. So with the current affair. Okay, so current affair, then here if you see Wednesday onwards, you will start reading NCERT and parallelly Lakshmikant. Okay, and this has to be done as what I told. Okay, when I tell chapter 1 and 2, you have to do only chapter 1 and 2. If you take some chapter number 22 or something and sit, you will not complete. Okay, because we know how much time it takes to read this and revise it. Okay, so that is how it's clearly and carefully designed. And this one 1, 2, like you will ask like I have different edition of Lakshmikant, which chapter are you referring to? We are referring to the 4th edition. So here if you see, the same thing will be there in 5th edition also, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so here if you see 1 and 2 means this 1 and 2. Okay, so what chapter is what, that I mentioned here. So in your textbook, if it is chapter number 3 or 4, then you have to cancel then read this one. Okay, in your textbook, whichever it is, historical background and making of the constitution, that is what I want you to read. Why it is put like that? Because later the test will come. So test will be like chapter 1 to 6 in one test. So only if you read it, it will be more helpful. Okay, so NCERT reading and Lakshmikant reading goes parallelly, history and geography up to class 10th. Then here if you see Friday, we will give you the PT1 and PT2. Okay, both will be given on this Friday, and I'm allocating 4 days just to study that. Okay, so these days if you see, there is no timetable, there is no study timetable. You have to simply do my MCQs, that is 100 MCQs this one and 100 MCQs this one. 200 MCQs you have to sit and read, and that is more than enough. This time is more than enough to do this. Okay, but provided that you have read these textbooks sincerely. Okay, because the exact words from here will be picked and put it here. Okay, I'll show you sample also. So this is the starting. Then we will do class 11th and 12th reading. Okay, every test will be given only after you do the reading. Okay, unless it is something which we don't want you to read. So here we'll do that reading, then class 12 we'll do. Okay, so one thing I'll tell you, even if you suppose you fell sick or you could not read or you find it lengthy, you're reading for the first time, if you don't complete, it's okay. Okay, when you do this, as I told, I'm giving you 4 days here, which may not be needed to do the MCQs. So that time, whatever chapters you missed it in the previous 3 days, you can read it also parallelly. Okay, keep the textbook open, keep my test open and do it parallelly. You will complete everything, I guarantee you that. Then after that, Lakshmikant will continue reading. Okay. And here you see PT10, chapter 1 to 6, for which you have already done the reading. 7 to 11, already done the reading. Then here we will give you the next set of current affairs, January and February. Okay, then that also revise. So 2 days. So one day you do January, one day you do February. Okay, because 100 pages or something will be there for one test. So with the news items, okay, it's like 100 MCQs plus lot of detailing of fact is there in Current Affair magazine. That also sample I can show you in a separate video I'll show. Then here Lakshmikant will continue reading, because I want you to complete entire polity first itself. Okay, because polity and NCERT is where you need to revise later again. Okay, so maybe that is why I am putting it in the first. Then schemes we will do, for which now you will think like timetable, know where it is schemes. Okay, because you, from where will you study schemes? You cannot get a proper source. So take my test alone, and study only that. Don't study anything else or don't be prepared for this. These 2 days, do this 300 MCQs. That is more than enough. Okay. Then after that, we'll go and Lakshmikant reading will continue. Then the test will continue. And here something new is there, international bodies. Okay, where entire bodies like will be SARC, BIMSTEC, WHO, UNESCO, UNICEF, every body will be detailedly covered in 200 MCQ. So it will be already there in current affair, obviously, but the static part of it, like what is organization, when was it like originated, where is its headquarters, all those factual thing will be covered here. So you can, it's like a one stop or one place to look at it. Okay, else you have to search in like which current affair I taught you BRICS or which current affair I taught you WHO. Okay, this was a concern raised by students last year, and that is why we improvised and included this test. Then again continuing Lakshmikant. Okay, and by this reading will be complete and all these tests will be given. Okay, and then March current affair also. So by this time, by the end of April, you will be completing the majority or 90% of the reading of Lakshmikant plus NCERT and solving the test also. And you will be almost confident like I am able to solve UPSC questions now. Okay. Meanwhile, whatever videos I put for free in the YouTube, that also you should watch. Okay, because I'll be putting guidance video, I'll be putting free MCQ, I'll be putting like elimination techniques. There'll be many things in the YouTube which are free. Okay, and it's not part of this test series. After that, now we have to do something else, ancient and medieval, and that NCERT, even though you read, that is not enough. Okay, you have to read R.S. Sharma and Satish Chandra, for which R.S. Sharma completely free lectures is there. Even though I put here 4 days completely R.S. Sharma, in 2 days, 3 days you can finish it. Okay, because video series is completely free. Sit and watch it at one stretch. All the 27 chapters will be over of 23 chapters will be over of R.S. Sharma. Okay, then after that, Satish Chandra also, which partially it is there, but remaining you have to read from the textbook. Okay, if I have time, I will do lectures, but there is no guarantee that I can do it. But again, I have allocated 3 days to do the MCQs. Okay, so here 400 MCQs will be given, 4 tests, and that if you revise this completely in totality, your ancient medieval become very strong. Okay. Then after that, environment, 4 tests. Again, in nowhere I have put environment for you to study because I don't want you to study. Okay, you will think like Shankara is important, that is important. It is important, but at the last minute in this 120 days, it is not advisable to read that book. Okay, because it's very, very lengthy. Same applies to Nitin Singhania textbook. Okay, you cannot read that textbook and finish in the last 120 days. Okay, you can simply glance through. Instead, do my test because that test is made based on those textbooks. Okay, question, answer, explanation, images, charts, everything is given. So please do this alone. 3 days of environment, your entire static thing will be strong. Okay, current affair part, like whether anything is in the news or something, that will be in the current affair PDF, current affair test. But static part, okay, that completely will be there in this 3 tests. Then art and culture similarly here. Okay, one more art and culture is there in the next page, I'll show you. Then science test also, we'll give you 4 science tests which is completely static, taken from the NCERT, taken based on the previous year papers, taken based on last 2-3 years of news items. Okay, but whatever is very latest in the news will be in the current affair test. Okay, but this is more than enough. Don't do any other NCERT reading, don't buy the biology textbook, don't do anything, just do my test. Okay. Then after that, economics. Economics again, Ramesh Singh is a bulky textbook. You cannot do it in the last minute and you will not understand also. If you have any video lectures, anybody is doing it for you, you can watch that. But other than that, this test is more than enough. Okay. Entire banking concept, money concept, or anything which UPSC have asked in the past or which is predicted to come in the future, everything I have taught. Okay. Last 3 years, I think almost whatever UPSC have asked is there in my test. Okay. It has come from directly from my test. If you need the proof for that, you can watch Vice versus UPSC video. Okay. Simply search in YouTube, Vice versus UPSC 2020 and 2019 video will come. Almost every economics question has come from my test only. Okay. Then after that, the main thing, spectrum, which is the like most detailed one in our channel. That again, as I told, 2 days is more than enough to watch that 20 videos. Okay. So do that videos and then I'll give you 4 tests. Okay, so here this much time is there, which is not required. That's why I'm telling, whatever you miss in the starting, you will get enough time to catch up here. Okay, because I don't think you need 7 days to do spectrum. You need just 2 days, 3 days if you watch my videos and do my test. So remaining whatever you missed, do it in this slot. Okay. Then geography maps test. This is what I showed you in the review also in the first one screenshot of one student told like she was searching something and finally she got it in our test itself. So that's why I'm telling, when we give a test, please see to it that you open and study it. Every doubt will be cleared there itself. Then CSAT 3 days, do self-study. Only the last 3 papers, nothing else. I'm telling you questions will come only from this. Only from this, not the same one, but the same pattern, same type of options, everything same. You just need to study these 3. Don't go for any other coaching or waste your time. Okay. So by May month mid, you are almost done with history, geography, polity, economy, environment, schemes. All these things are covered through my test. Okay. Then we'll go to Nitin Singhania test, which is again a new edition this year, which will be completely factual. That's why I put it at the last. Okay. Because you will tend to forget it again and again. So I'm trying to put it at the last. Then every subject we have full test, okay, meaning it will not be specific to any textbook. Like history full test means it can have ancient also, medieval also, modern also, art and culture also. So like that we have 3 to 4 history test, 3 to 4 geography test, then 3 to 4 polity test. Every subject full test is there, okay, which is not textbook specific but which is UPSC specific. Then here we'll give you the economic survey budget one, from which maximum 1 or 2 questions only will come. That is why it's not very important, but for mains it is very important, okay. Then again schemes test 4, which are additional test, okay. As I told, not specific to any particular topic. Then April current affair and May current affair here at the last, PT number PT 75, and between we'll do 10 full test, meaning this is actual UPSC type thing, or it will have a mix of everything, okay. Maybe this is a mix of history, geography, environment, this is a mix of polity, geography, so it will be completely mix up, okay. So this will completely make sure that you have done the minimum needed textbook. If you now see the video few minutes back, you will notice that almost what is important, every textbook I am making you read, and others which is not important or not possible to complete in 120 days, I am giving it to you through test series, okay. Then you have to do this one. So here if you see the previous video series, 2016 onwards it's completely free and available. 2009 to 15 I will try to make free videos in the YouTube, so that will be available for you. So last 3 days you don't have to do any test or any other coaching material, you just do previous year paper. Why? Because on 27th Sunday when you go to the exam hall, you should be in a mood to see UPSC questions, okay, not our test series question or any other questions, because the format, the printing style, everything is different in any test series. So you have to see actual UPSC questions for 3 days consistently. Then when you go to the exam hall, I guarantee you that easily many questions will come to you, okay, answers will come to you automatically, and you will see that in less than 1.5 hour time in the exam hall, you will be getting that cutoff marks of 100 marks, okay, whichever category you are. So please see to it that you follow this sincerely if you join. If you have no interest to follow this, then please don't join, okay, because we don't want people to simply take our test and finally blame us that everything is like out of context, nothing is useful, because it doesn't work that way, okay. We need only the most sincere, serious students, okay. So this is the timetable. Now going back to the pricing, which you will be waiting for, we have kept it at the same price as the subject wise package which we declared last month, okay. And one thing you should know, this is the biggest test series, okay. No other coaching institute is giving you 75 tests, which I'll show you. So this is some 10 promises which we do. We have told you multiple times. Only the mains part I have striked it off, okay. Our guarantee is that we will make you study everything. We will update any material for you if there are printing mistakes. Previous year papers, I told you what is the importance and you should be doing. So total 10,000 MCQ in the sense 7,500 MCQ I will be giving to you, and 2,500 you will do when you do the previous 20 years of question papers, okay. Then current affair is there. As I told, 12 months is included. Extra 2 years, 24 months, you can get it as add-on. That also I'll show you. So 120 days timetable I already showed you. Okay, I think these are all extra slides. Okay, this one. This is the 75 test. Okay, so if you see here history, these many tests. Current affair 12 months. Then Lakshmikant, as I told, textbook wise and the complete syllabus wise. Then full test. Then geography, economy, environment, science, schemes, international bodies. So this totals to 75 tests. For 2022 batch, even bigger one is coming. I'm planning 90 to 100 tests. Okay, and it will be a total 365 day timetable. So please wait for that. That alone is sufficient for you. Don't go and waste your money in lakhs to any coaching institute. You can study everything at home with this much nominal rates. Okay, so this is our 2019-20 results. 21 what we planned, and revision chart snippet card. If you have not seen that, also a lot of samples I have shown. I'll give you video links if you want to see the samples of that. And this is the original price, okay, which people bought it 1 year ago, but for you it's not the case. For you it will be different, okay. This is batch 1 and batch 2 because evaluation and all was there. It was a huge batch. Then this is batch 3 and batch 4. That also is not applicable to you. Now for batch 5 we are continuing whatever we announced last month itself, okay. We announced an offer package for February. We are continuing it for this batch 5 as well. So you can get the complete thing pack 1 as 75 test plus 250 revision chart plus 60 snippet card, okay. Or some people don't want the revision chart and snippet card, but that is an unfortunate selection because from there many questions come, okay. In case still if you don't want, you can get it at this price. And then after that, pack 2, pack 3, pack 4, if you see, these are subject wise. So if you don't want the entire thing, buy this because I just want you to study, okay. But only thing is, only the people who enroll to pack 1 or this one, this 75 test alone, only you will be getting that Excel sheet timetable, okay, because else it's not useful for you because you are just getting some 3 test or 4 test. You don't need to follow my schedule. So you will get the schedule 120 only if you buy the pack 1, else you will be given the test alone, okay. That also as per the schedule, whatever you saw in the timetable, as per the timetable it will be given, okay. Meaning 12 polity test if you come and buy, it's not like I'll give you 12 polity test on day 1. If 8 test of that is completed now by March as per the date, then you will get that, and remaining as per the date like March 15th or April 15th, whatever. So as before the exam you will get all the test. And these are the current affair package. If you see pack 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 is just a combo of all the three, and pack 12 is included already in your pack 1. Okay, so you don't have to buy it again. Okay, I hope you understand. Pack 12 is the latest 12 months current affair. It's already there in pack 1. But pack 10 and 11 is your choice, because some veteran students will not need it. Okay, that's why I have not included it. So that is your choice. You can come and buy if you need it. Okay, there are many students now buying it because they understand that questions are coming from older current affair also. And how to enroll? You just WhatsApp me. Okay, test 2021 or batch 5 enrollment, whatever. Simply come and WhatsApp me. I'll give you the procedure and the same slide if you want this picture, if you want to see again and decide, everything I'll give you. Okay, so don't worry on that. But be truthful to your preparation. Okay, because whatever you do now, it will turn into either a regret or a good decision. So after failing also, because I know 90% of the people are going to fail. Okay, not like our students. In general, in UPSC, 99% students are going to fail because the success rate is only that much. Okay, 0.0001 is the success rate of UPSC. Okay, because out of 10 lakh, they are going to take only 9,000 people into mains. So obviously that much people only will pass. So we are helpless regarding that. So be sure that you prepare in such a way that even if you fail, 2022 will be a cakewalk for you. Okay, easily you will clear 2022. That level you should prepare. Okay, don't give up. This 120 days is more than enough to complete the entire syllabus, and I have shown you how to do that. So please see to it that you study like this from genuine things, because I am trying to build a community of just serious aspirants. Okay, we don't want any people who are like lazily preparing for this exam. Okay, so just see to it that you cooperate. We'll also support you and help you achieve this big dream. Okay, because it's obviously a dream. It's not like any other exam. It's a big dream for many people. So WhatsApp us and subscribe to the channel, because every update is coming there, and many free videos we are doing every day. Okay, even today Lakshmikant lecture was there. Please see that if you have not seen, because citizenship chapter most people skip it, but what is the minimum things or the important things from that chapter I have explained clearly. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. WhatsApp me for details. Thank you and have a nice day.